Hello everyone. Today we are discussing about an important cell organelle called as endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is a continuous membrane-like structure arranged in a stack-like manner starting from the nucleus may extend till plasma membrane. Endoplasmic reticulum acts as cytoskeleton, that means which gives shape to the cell. Basically, endoplasmic reticulum is divided into two main types based on the presence or absence of ribosome. Here you can see this ribosomes are there on the endoplasmic reticulum, so which makes the surface of the endoplasmic reticulum rough. So this is rough endoplasmic reticulum, and in this region, you can observe there is no ribosome attached on the surface. So this part being a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So as the structure differs, the functions of the smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum varies. We can shortly call smooth endoplasmic reticulum as SER. So this SER helps in the preparation or the synthesis of lipids, and SER helps in detoxification detoxification of drugs, especially in the liver cells. Detoxification of drugs in the liver cells. So you can see in the rough endoplasmic reticulum, rough endoplasmic reticulum is shortly called as RER, and this helps in synthesis of protein or production of protein, enzymes and hormones. Rough endoplasmic reticulum helps in producing protein, enzymes and hormones, and SER and ARIA together helps in membrane biogenesis. What is membrane biogenesis? Membrane biogenesis. Membrane, the layer, bio, the living, genesis means formation. So RER and SER together involved in the membrane biogenesis. If in case any cell organelle membrane is damaged or the cell membrane is damaged, that cell membrane is recovered or replaced by rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum by producing protein and lipids. So basically the membranes of cell organelle and the plasma membrane is made up of lipids and proteins. So this is about endoplasmic reticulum, and we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.